This is the all-new Rockwood Mini Lite 2205. So on the interior of the new Rockwood Mini Lite 2205S, we have, of course, lots of storage above the bed. We also have a heated mattress. Being a brand new floor plan, we get lots of cool features here. A little bit different than previous models we've seen. This one would be close to the 2109 that we used to have. And now we have theater seating here. Not to mention heated massaging theater seating. Lots of room inside. Corian countertops. 22-inch oven. We have a countertop extender. And guess what else we got? We got a fireplace. How cool is that? So as I'm making this video, I realized something else that we didn't have before. We now have a porcelain toilet in this unit. That's a big change from the previous years. Rockwood has now added a shade for the door. That's something that's been on the GOs. They've also added the door latch here to keep that door shut. When you've got the screen door open, it'll pull it back for you. We also have a new stereo system. The newer IRV radio with new speakers. And of course we've got a countertop extender. Look at all that storage space. So much room in here.